Hello all, welcome to EC Electronics. Hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, we are going to see some very latest recruitment opportunities that is applicable for a lot of people out there, graduates, diploma candidates and freshers. So a lot of people follow the channel for job updates, career guidance, especially diploma candidates. They give a lot of comments that they also require job opportunities because they are also finding, searching for jobs. So in today's video, I have included a lot of means the job opportunities that is applicable for many people out there, because in single video I try to include more than one job opportunities, so it will be definitely useful for all the subscribers out there. So I am putting a lot of effort in finding these job opportunities. Please support the channel, please watch our videos completely, and please subscribe to the channel. Okay, so without any delay, let's move on to the first recruitment, which is from Apple. Apple is hiring technical specialist. IN means India location. Okay, so for India location, they are hiring technical specialist. This is a tech support job. You can see the date of posting here. It is a very, very recent recruitment opportunity. You can see the qualification. It is customer support. Means whenever the customer is requiring some support or assistance, you have to give support to them. Flexibility should be there in your work. Ability to thrive on change of products. Means Apple launch a lot of products, and based on the change of products, you have to change, means you have to get upgraded or you have to be updated. Okay, that is the job of a technical specialist. You can say it is a customer support plus tech support job. You can submit your CV here. Just click on this icon here. You can see the location. You can search the location, and then you have to create an account with Apple. Then only you can apply. Okay, so that is all about this job opportunity. It is a very recent one. It is a very latest one. That is the first one. The second one is exclusively for diploma candidates. This is a job opportunity which is for an apprentice post. Okay, now while hearing the term apprentice, you may think that it is for 1 year, but don't worry. After the apprenticeship, Dell is a very good company. You will get an opportunity there itself. You can continue further if your performance is good during this apprenticeship period. Let's have a look on what is the details of this job opportunity. It is an apprentice recruitment. Apprentice manufacturing is the domain of work. Now, what is the requirement? Desirable requirement is diploma 2022 pass out. Fresher, very clearly in the bracket they have given it is for freshers. The essential requirements is electronics, computer-based hardware skill will be an additional advantage. Means you have to be from either electronics background or computer background. Otherwise also means if you are from mechanical related background, something related to manufacturing. Okay, that should be your area of study. Okay, also willing to work on shift, quick learner, creative thinking. These are the requirements, essential requirements they have given here. Okay. The diploma is the qualification and it is for freshers. Very clearly they have given. So when I post videos, this is the main requirement for a lot of subscribers. We are from diploma category. We need job opportunities. So I will try to bring job opportunities for diploma as well. Don't worry. Please follow the channel. Our channel is not like any other channel who just give you one job update, but I try to give you minimum 3 or 4 or 5 recruitment opportunities or 5 job updates in any video which I post. Okay, so please make use of it. Please apply here. Okay, so this job which is from Dell Technologies, it is FPGA related job opportunity. You are going to work in the FPGA manufacturing, packing, that related area. We know Dell is a core company of electronics. So if you are from diploma electronics background or computer science diploma background, then this is a perfect opportunity for you. Please make use of it. Okay, that is all about the second recruitment, which is from Dell Technologies. The third one is a recruitment from PayPal. Okay, PayPal data analyst 2023 graduate. So this from the title itself, it is clear that this recruitment is for 2023 batch people. And you can see the locations. There is 2 locations, Bangalore and Chennai. These are the 2 locations. Data analyst is the job. It is purely a non-coding job. You are going to work in the field of data analysis, or data analyst is the role. Okay, let's see the requirements. This is the recent graduate full-time position. You will be graduating in 2023 with a bachelor degree in related field from a accredited college or university. When they are giving that from a related field, we know data analyst is purely a non-coding job. Anybody can do this job. Any bachelor degree can do this job. So the only requirement is bachelor degree from a accredited college or university. Okay, you should be passing out in 2023. That is the main requirement. Okay, now what is the key responsibilities of a data analyst? We know you are going to analyze data, you are going to collect information from the data, you are going to make an analysis report. So that is your area of work. Okay. So PayPal is a lot of means they are growing very much tremendously during this period, especially after the COVID. A lot of transactions is happening through PayPal. You're if you're working in some freelancing websites or if you're working in some freelancing areas. So if it is means if some freelancing areas if you're working in, you should be knowing that PayPal is the mode of payment which most of the companies is using. So PayPal is having a lot of demand for employees and it is growing tremendously. Okay, now let's see the next set of recruitments, which is from UST Global. UST Global is a company which gives a lot of space for freshers. You will get on-site opportunities in US, and a lot of people actually want to get into UST Global for this reason. Okay, so the first recruitment is for the post of developer 3 software engineering. It is a developer job. This is a coding related job. That thing I am going to share with you in the beginning itself. Chennai, Tamil Nadu is the location. They have given the outcomes, means the requirements or the responsibilities actually. Understand and provide input to the application. Whichever domain you are going to work in, you are going to do coding in that area. Okay, so they have not given any specific experience requirement or anything. Skills they have given that you should be having communication abilities, perform, evaluate test cases, a team player, good written verbal ability, proactive. These are the things which they have given here. DBMS knowledge, programming language knowledge, technical designing knowledge. These are the requirements. Okay. Year of pass out and all they have not given, and there is no requirement for experience. If you are coming from electronics, computer science, IT background with a good programming knowledge, you can apply for this. Okay. The next one is Network Operations Associate. Noida, Uttar Pradesh is the location. This is network operations. Networking related is the job. So they have given that you are going to troubleshoot various tickets, networking related problems. If some team is facing, you are going to troubleshoot that. Okay, tuning of parameters, troubleshooting of network issues. This is your area of work. Location is Noida, Uttar Pradesh. And just like this, there is a lot of very recent job opportunities you can find in the UST Global career site. So I will show you how to search the job opportunities in UST's career site. So through every video, nowadays I'm trying to include this additional information which will be helpful for job seekers in general. So when I was doing the process of job searching, nobody was there to guide me through this process, but here I'm trying to give you some guidance. So I will share this job portal link of UST in the description. What you have to do is you have to put the location. I am putting here as India. You can put like any other location if you are interested in. Okay, so if you are looking for India related opportunities, you can put India, and then here you can see sort by. Okay, there is a sort by option. There is relevance, there is posting date. Relevance means sometimes they will show you old job opportunities. If you want the latest job opportunity, just put it as posting date. Okay, now just click on this search. Okay, now you can see the very recent job opportunities coming up. Now if you only want fresher related opportunities or fresher jobs, just give freshers and then search. Now it will get refreshed and you can see the fresher opportunities which is popping up. Okay, so these type of things you have to do while doing the job searching. Okay, so this is one tip which I want to share with you if you are searching jobs in UST's career site. So please save this link in a notepad or a Word document or whatever, and you can use it for your further means in your future also. If you want to find job opportunities in UST Global, you can make use of this link. Okay, So please make use of this one. And that's all for today's video. I have tried to give maximum information. I am sharing all the links in description. So please make use of it. Please support the channel by subscribing to it. Thanks for watching. Keep on watching.